In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Fitbit Luxe. Now this will erase your device or clear all your user data from the device, so make sure you're only doing this if you have a major problem with your Luxe or you are returning it or giving it to someone else. So starting from the clock face, we will swipe down and then we will continue swiping down until we find Settings. Then go ahead and tap on that. Now we're going to swipe up until we find Device Info, and then we're going to tap on that. And now we're going to swipe up until we find Clear User Data, and then we're going to tap on that. So here it says Clear Data. This clears your data and disconnects the device from your phone. Any unsynced data will be lost. So make sure if you want to keep your data, go ahead and just do a quick sync. Otherwise, if you want to do this, you can press and hold this button for 3 seconds, or you can tap cancel if you decide you don't want to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and press and hold for 3 seconds. It's telling me to keep holding. Alright, so the deed has been done. We saw the Fitbit logo appear on the screen, and it is going through the erase user data process. And there we go, we got a little vibration. And now we're seeing the download the Fitbit app, and the device has been erased and is ready to be returned, given to someone else, or repaired with your phone to see if it helped fix your issue. So I hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to this channel if you want to see more Fitbit Luxe how-to videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.